26th January 2021. India is celebrating her 72nd Republic Day. It is a day on which the Indian Constitution came into effect, which made India one of the biggest democracies in the world. It was on this day when India was declared as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It was through the monumental Indian Independence Act of 1947 through which India gained its independence, an act of the United Kingdom's Parliament which divided British India in two parts. Though India gained freedom from the British rule, it was still under the constitutional monarchy of King George VI, and Lord Mountbatten was the Governor General then. This was because in 1947, India did not have its own constitution. The laws in India at that time were based on the Government of India Act of 1935. Realizing the need of having an Indian constitution, a drafting committee was set up with Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, being appointed as its chairman, who is now known as the father of the Indian Constitution. 26th January was celebrated as Purna Swaraj Day from 1930 in the hope of getting independence on the decided day. Later, this was consciously chosen to be marked as the first Republic Day of India. It took a total of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the world's lengthiest written constitution with 444 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. The first written constitution was not printed, instead written by calligrapher Prem Bihari Narain Raizada. The original copies of Indian Constitution are carefully preserved in helium-filled caskets at the Library of Parliament House. It was written in English and Hindi. Independence Day made us free from foreign rule, but Republic Day made us stand on our feet. So let's rejoice on this day, remembering what this country has been through to earn this day that we freely receive. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.